So class, our topic for today is about perimeter of plane figures or perimeter of polygons. So we have here a definition of perimeter. You don't need to memorize the formulas for the different polygons for the perimeter of these polygons. Just remember only that the meaning of perimeter is it's the length of the sides. You add the length, the width, whatever, and then the total length of the sides of any polygon will give you the perimeter. Just like find the perimeter of our classroom. So you add the length of the front wall plus the length of the side wall plus length of the back wall plus length of the other side wall will give you the perimeter of our classroom. Okay, number one, square. So for the square, we know that for a square, it has 4 equal sides. So I put here S. You can put A. They have the same letters because they are all equal. Now, we have the symbol. You will see that there is a slash there. This, and that. It means that if you have only one, they one, the same, it means they have the same length. So this one is equal to that length. So this one is 5, this one is also 5. If this one is 5, the other one is 5. So, without knowing the formula for perimeter, but we know we are going to add the sides. So for this one, you have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 will give us 20. This one is only for the sake of algebra because you know how to combine like terms. So in terms of formula, S plus S plus S plus S, because they are all like terms, we have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 will give us 4S, 4 times the side here. So if you are going to use the formula, 4 times the side is 5, we have 20 also. But I don't recommend you to use the formula because it's a burden also for you to memorize the formula. All you have to just remember is perimeter is the length of the sides. Now for rectangle here, we have the length here and the width. So what's the perimeter there? It's the length plus the width plus the length again plus the width. We go around so we don't miss one side there. Now this symbol and that symbol, they are the same, meaning this one is also the width. There's 2 marks here and 2 marks there, means they are of the same length. So if this one's the length, that one is also the length. So if you have an example of 10 and 5, the length of our rectangle is 10 meters and the width is 5 meters. How much is this one? What's the length on the other side? This is also 10 and this one is 5 meters. So we're just going to add 10 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 will give us 30 meters. By the way, class, remember that the unit is length. Centimeters, meters, decimeters, kilometers. It's only one. Because after perimeter, we will be discussing area. And in area, you will see that the square, centimeter square, square centimeters, and square or square meter. So be careful of the unit. If you see this length unit only, that is the perimeter. For triangle, because triangle has 3 sides, we add this side plus that side plus this side. So if you have an example of 3, this side is 3 centimeters, this one is 4 centimeters, this one is 6 centimeters. We add this 3, 4, 6 gives us 13 units, cm, centimeters. This is a trapezium. Okay, trapezium. This side and this side are parallel sides. So how many sides we have in a trapezium? We have 4 sides. So we are going to add 4 sides. 10 plus 5 plus 4 plus 6 will give us 25 unit centimeters. Now here, class, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a pentagon, but not pentagon is not regular in shape. So what do we do here is we add them as a perimeter. We can start anywhere. Let's start from the 10 in the anti-clockwise direction. We have 10 cm plus that 4 plus that 5 plus that 6 plus that 8. That is the perimeter of our pentagon, which is not regular. So we have 14, 19, 25, we have 33 unit centimeters. Okay, that's the perimeter. Okay, for semicircle, it's also called perimeter. So for here, let's say this one is the L, and this one the curved surface of our semicircle is S. We add the length and the L and the S. But to find S, it's we have another formula for finding the S then. We have the circumference divided by 2. It's 2 pi r divided by 2, like that. Note, for circle, it is called circumference and not perimeter anymore. So if we have like this, we say the length of this one, the curve total length is called perimeter. Yes, it's perimeter. But if it is already a circle, we don't call it perimeter anymore. We call it circumference. But for semicircle, we don't call this one circumference, but still this one is a perimeter. If we have a quarter circle, like that one, so this plus the entire curve is the perimeter of that shape.